Yannick no know for mash up Worlddawg because if Yannick walk away right now, Worlddawg depend him pace.
That's him go worse. Him go worse than when he start with TikTok.
Him worse because him can't get back when he did up on the app. And the app him a use against Yannick. Let me tell you that. At the internet him a use against Yannick. You see, we not hear the arguments in private now. I bet him tell Yannick say you come sing me us upon the app. And at this me know. So if you take away your foot, me not drop.
That's what he said. Auntie.
Me cuss Worlddawg about him mouth. Me cuss Worlddawg about it. Worlddawg never done it in life. And you come back talk about say, oh, when him come in, you know, me not like him say, she must sit down and take bun.
Disgusting. He's so disgusting.
Sit down and take bun. Where you hear that liar?
Wicked man.
Fight Worlddawg for Yanique.
Yeah, what we need to fight. Yeah, man, what we need to pull up on him, man, and beat him.
No,
we need to beat him.
Man,
he don't deserve it.
Man leave woman and it not so much, you know. Me say, me would have pull up on Worlddawg and beat Worlddawg for Yanique. Worlddawg can't war, you know.
Can't war. As a loud mouth him have. All him have is a loud mouth.
Worlddawg cannot war.
When they say, Auntie, I've been shot. When this Mirror Parkway.
Like, I can't remember things.
That will go forever go down in history.
Like, I can't remember, you know.
No.
Shot.
Where? Come now.
You
we not forget that.
Oh my days. And Yanique has been there with him.
Yep. Even through that. Even throughout that whole ordeal.
Me not telling a lie. I say a lot of bad things about her, but when it comes to a relationship, she don't play.
Yeah, she hold him down.
She hold him down. And when she need him now for hold her down, he's nowhere to be found.
Mature to the wolves. You want TikTok to break her.
It's in a relationship, liar. It's when you're there for your man and you need a man and he's not there for you. That within itself can eat you out like cancer. You never know. Ask any woman who really hold it down for them man and need them man to have them back in a time and he's not there. Ask any woman. And these are the little intricacies where people now look at. It is not about how the argument start. It's about how you treat the lady in a situation like this. True. She don't deserve it. She don't deserve it. If you want to walk away gracefully and leave her with her sanity so she can take care of her children. Exactly.
Don't break her.
He's this close to calling her Mr. Bean.
He called her already. Where there? He did it already. He called her everything we cuss her with. He called her Florida mattress, Mr. Bean, everything. Tell her that she married to a woman. Everything what the internet tell her, he come back and tell her the same thing now.
So now he makes Swissley reach a foreign. A true Worlddawg knows he's not going to blow up if he married Swissley because a green card Worlddawg depend. Worlddawg not have no papers. Green card.
Yeah, everything what the internet say, all the situation will blame them and the check situation, he blew her up. He's trying to break her. He might act like say Yanique been married to the woman before she meet Worlddawg. So we might act like he never know.
And that is the thing. That's why Miss Triple should never sit down and endure all of this. Miss Triple should attack his speech towards Yanique because she's in a similar position as Yanique.
And that's why the people them come back to the fear. They say, lawyer, tell her, say she left the woman. What to the woman when she married to? She will tell her friends to talk stupidness because she's in the same situation too.
And it's not about Miss Triple.
It's not about
always insert herself in a people business like she an internet counselor. And that is just the truth. And when you talk now, she say, me don't know why people hate me. Me don't know what me do the body, you know. But you're not speaking fairly, woman to woman. Them girl upon the app pick and choose which woman them for show power to.
Yeah, true.
It's not across the board. Them pick and choose. When we see in a comment section, woman say, he's hurting, the boy have feelings too. I pray to God, God give them man like Worlddawg.
True.
I pray to God.
He's despicable, auntie. Me never say, me I tell her, say, listen, some woman do, some man bad, but well, woman do Yanique, that she not deserve it, auntie. She don't deserve her own side. And no matter what happened in their relationship, he could have walked away gracefully because for the past 3 years, you sleep comfortable because of Yanique. You can't open one door because of Yanique. Come on, man, give the woman some grace.
Came back because of Yanique.
Yes, and he could have even go to Jamaica. Remember, say for years, Worlddawg go to Jamaica.
Thank
Yanique,
you.
I think Yanique Worlddawg go to Jamaica. He could have go take a trip.
Yeah, somebody say I perform, Worlddawg I perform. I perform for true. He's a performer.
But auntie, the sad thing is women are buying it. That's the sad part of it. Women, mothers are buying it. His performance.
Liar, I want the Worlddawg, so I want Nana Worlddawg. Nana him. I just want to hold him and tear him like book leaf. You don't believe me?
Mm-hmm.
Me just want Yanique should have been my long distance cousin, like Ika Scala, Kale Carl.
No, a neighbor. Not even because we're neighbor. You not grow up together. You to play. You just a neighbor. That's
neighbor.
it. You know you're play cousin that. Just your neighbor.
Me da got all up because Worlddawg would have to drive me down to Florida and joyrise me. He must have to joke me. Me nah ask you, can me give it to Worlddawg? Me a bounce up in face with a buckle, man. Me a slap him in the face with all a NSA buckle. Me nah ramp. The girl
and
don't.
She don't deserve it, man, auntie.
Kick up Worlddawg. Want her father kick him up.
And worst thing, auntie, she can't even cuss.
So that me I tell you, that me
can't even argue.
That me heart move. Come here, say Jesus, please, Yanique, class Worlddawg come out and say Worlddawg remember this, and she's still not talking. Yanique is a loyal girl, loyal.
Like she go to the ghetto, she hold it, yeah. When me hear Yanique say. When Worlddawg say something about the honey packer and something, me Yanique say, but your dick can't stand up. Yanique tell him boy say him hood dead. Say move from say dead hood. Like me I said no, Yanique cannot say you go. You have to tell him boy say him hood dead.
Your dick can't stand
up. Yeah, she just me I said no, Yanique. Then the boy they have to class them.
And Miss Triple as a voice in the dirty part of the community. She not come out and defend the lady, woman to woman. Yes, say some things from the app when unnecessary.
Yep, true.
But true Worlddawg have triple secret.
That's why people in Florida say because she don't want him cuss her and tell her for her deeds.
Me now ask you, him have triple secret from pin to where they would call it. From a pin to an anchor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him have triple secret, Crystal. Him have a secret. And triple is a wicked woman towards. Of course, you don't want Yanique to cuss.
You don't. No, another auntie, she said Yanique must make Worlddawg talk and she no answer. That is what she said. Yanique no need to respond. She said that, I can't tell me, she just said that yesterday. All of them want Worlddawg to talk and Yanique to just shut up.
Yes.
That's where they want Worlddawg to talk and Yanique to just sit down and everybody believe all them lies them. No, that's what she said yesterday. Yanique not fi answer and make him go on. No, she fi answer, she fi defend herself. We're not talking about. She not bring nothing over here. She's just debunking all the lies him say.
Liar a Sunday I go mad him. Sunday I go mad him because
but him say yesterday, auntie. Him say one time Jaden sent him the picture. He look like he sent loyal in a Yanique comment section. When Jaden sent him the picture when he in a Yanique box. So him send the girl go torment Yanique. Him admit it.
Did I kick liar till her blood come? Me now ask you. Me would have
2003 she born, you know. She 2003? Yes. Me know say fear little crutches still rank and her draw scratches stiff. 2003 she born.
2003. Worlddawg get old, man.
Fashion 19, them a mess around. Fashion 19. I'm from Yanique pregnant.
May I tell you something? He manipulate the girl.
He's using her to taunt Yanique. He don't like her, you know. Him not like her.
He
might use her to taunt Yanique.
To come back for him, man. A Swiss League cause all of them, yeah.
Yes, he might use her for taunt Yanique, and then she's so naive because all you are an auntie, all you say you're a top girl and your man have money, and you get evicted for 2 months rent.
That's exactly. Couldn't send her 3,500.
Exactly. What exactly? How you say you have man and you get evicted for 2 months rent? You depend on vacation when you have 2 months rent for pay. That makes sense, auntie?
Oh, it makes sense. You know, say, Worlddawg makes sense. Answer the question from
So
Worlddawg.
hear the little girl say, auntie, she gonna move to the house next week. Because Yanique can move out. So me say I share the bank. I must say share the bank. I share the bank. She tell Yanique that she gonna move out next week and then she gonna have the Lambo and the house. You hear me? I share the bank and the car company. Then Yanique said she care about the Lambo because he's not paid for it. So she go carry back.
Worlddawg, you know. Yanique no know for mash up Worlddawg because if Yanique walk away right now, Worlddawg depend him pace.
That's him go worse. Him go worse than when he started with TikTok.
Because him can't get back when he did up on the app. And the app he might use against Yanique. Let me tell you that. At the internet he might use against Yanique. You see, we not hear the arguments in private now. I bet him tell Yanique say you come sing and us up on the app. And at this me know. So if you take away your foot, me not drop.
That's what he said. Auntie, he said that. Him said that. Him said exactly what you say. Yes, him said that. Him said when he go to the club, them they said the king of TikTok is here.
Yeah, but mama tell you TikTok liar.
Yes, him said that.
So you see, last night when the upper beat him bad, him afraid.
Him afraid. That's why I come with triple attack once, not no nonsense story, not make no sense. And I try to get sympathy.
But him gonna tell Triple one day says a woman she married to two.
Oh, amen. Amen.
Yes.
And why she married to the woman? Amen.
Right.
Okay.
Right. That's exactly so. I hear we hear about Worlddawg mother saying for him. We don't know about Worlddawg. Not true about Worlddawg. I go that man give Worlddawg what him have.
We don't know. We never know.
Remember Worlddawg say him always a thief and him always a look man. That's why him come out one time and say him a sex man again. Don't forget.
Yeah, he said that. Yes.
Mr. Liar, I pray to God that he will never be successful on the internet just because of what he did to Yanique.
He did to Yanique. True, auntie. True.
I pray to God in the highest. I pray.
That's true. True. And I agree.
I pray every success that should reach Worlddawg, reach Yanique and this child.
Yep. That's why I said to Jaden, play the match with her. Make she come out her shadow. Give her
make she come out her shell.
Yeah, the spotlight where him forget put it on her. She's taking care of the child. Put it on her. And she forget the spotlight.
And she must get everything. Me say, I pray to God every success where should have come the boy the way. It stop him child and Yanique.
Yep.
And don't go foot further.
Auntie, how you must have a child 2 years old and you never buy a can of formula? And you say you provide everything. How you must have you never buy a pack of diaper or a can of formula?
We just want to get a moment of silence for hunger.
Auntie, food expensive, you know. You're there, you know, you see how food very expensive.
Liar me I tell.
Food is very expensive. Imagine feeding five mouths in our household, plus with kids and snack and all of them things there.
Me say when you be a girl that go down and say, Yanique can't cook. Yanique can't this. Yanique can't that. Me shame.
And she's a feed the whole life friend them.
Don't the whole life friend them name from her?
The whole life friend them. All 6 TV come and remember 6 TV come and then over Yanique where Yanique cook Sunday dinner and something. Yanique feed the whole of them. One thing she's always cooking. We never see him cook.
Remember, so we know Worlddawg long time and Worlddawg never cook yet.
Yeah, true.
Never cook yet. From him live at the house with the door with the hole in the door. You know, remember them days?
Yeah. With the one never cook. Him always a warm up food. So who cook the food?
Liar, me say when me hear Yanique ask my friend, me not listen to Yanique because if me listen to Yanique, me go sin and a big jail of salvation me have. Me go sin. Because me as supposed to did my sister. Me that have to take a plane go link Worlddawg. Me would have to take a plane go link Worlddawg and the 1,013 man them. Me nah ask you liar. Me nah ask you. Me that have to spit in a Worlddawg. Yes.
Him deserve it, auntie. Him deserve it.
Mr. Yanique for wait until him do live. She go down into the garage with all a chopper. You know? Or a 3-star. Or the kitchen knife for use pan scream. And when he do live and the hype up, she just drape him. God no. And not give him a chance.
That pay more him have.
Hey, and when she done, she just say, guys, send on the gifts. Honestly. You think a joke?
Yeah, auntie, but me hear Worlddawg say something, right? Say Yanique tell everybody say everything in a your name. Who tell we say everything in a Yanique name? Who tell we that?
The Worlddawg come out and
exactly. And he must say Fort Lauderdale people are tell him that. How him tell we say everything in our name?
Alright, let me fix the argument then. Worlddawg did have to put everything in her name because the cops them did on to him and for such Swiftly draw away from him a bit. Let me tell you how everything go. Long before Joe even planned for dead. Long before them even planned to kill Joe. You understand me? Worlddawg has been visited by the cops. You never know. Worlddawg had the whole heap of something in Florida where we not talk about. Who remember my screen recording when I say stop sending no money to these people for cover up for their wrongs that they are doing.
Yep. Yeah, you said that.
And see the truth just a come out, you know. If people read between the lines, and Yanique make the cops them don't get onto Worlddawg based on the things them we might acquire through robbery. She make sure say him have him credit score up, so there's a
and she pay the bills them and she do what she needs to do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That becomes the house in a Worlddawg name.
Yeah. Because she had the Lambo in her name, she had the Corvette, she had so much other things. So she had tried to, make him be a man.
Exactly my point. She brought him to this point. Yeah.
You know me hear Worlddawg say, auntie? And Worlddawg say, Yanique make butter shot him. Yeah, same say. But he never talk about the $2,500. Say the $2,500. Yeah, that's how far him take it. No wicked him wicked. That's how far him take it.
Sometimes we don't know the man them where I take liar.
That is how far Worlddawg took it.
It's just sometimes we don't know the man them where I take just like how Cheryl no know she buy.
Therefore, just pray for she. But she a wicked too. So anyway, she can't buy anything. She can't buy anything. Then wicked people if you get anything. If you buy anything and get it.
Liar, you drop the money.
She a wicked. She can't get anything, auntie.
Liar said we just pray for she.
She can't get it. As long as Jakes get the house, she can't get anything, auntie. She can't take her Rosalie.
You know what way Rosalie said Baba was a buck-up breed.
Auntie expect them from that?
I mean, you know why people have to keep the kids them out tight, you know.
And as she bring them in there.
And she bring them, Baba for the buck-up breed now, and a 4 picnic you have and 2 you dash way. So who the next to them belongs to? The uncle and the father. So Jakes when you bring him fresh from country.
Auntie, you're too bad.
But I'm not lying, I saw it up. And she won the whole of July, you see. This bonner, you see, when we're with
Auntie, she class the nursing home people them yesterday call them dog shit.
Yeah.
Auntie, it's when up on vacation, you had toured too much, you had missed everything. She class them, call them dog shit. And say a man them a look, she classed them yesterday.
Then you never
Auntie, she classed.
You never hear me say it's a afraid of which one of them number Akeem have. You never hear me say.
She said she had vomit from one of her stomach and somebody video her. Yes, auntie, she classed them.
The nursing home people them never come for Rosalina.
Yeah, she realized him them come for no. She classed them, see a man they want. Cause them would never do that to handsome shit up.
No, you never know. Yeah, you know, for me see the old people them. I said them people is not for Rosalie. All of the old and the no teeth and the synthetic and not need them a try them best luck. If them can get Akeem and them know them can get him because them know him licky. Make me tell you that.
She said them him them one. But auntie, come here. She take with all of them credit card at Jamaica, they no come back with no card. She take all of them card. She didn't take away all of the car. Them wanna say like, what go on?
You see, at the river.
The river, yeah. Something not right with the river there. What a boy love river. Why I love river Sophia fish?
Excuse you? Excuse you? Each time the boil scale get dry, you have to go with it. And make it glisten like sequins. You know, she says parrotfish.
But auntie never say parrotfish there river.
You never know. They
No,
have
never
venture
know.
because the world are done. Then only big river meet sea.
True, auntie, you have a point. Come but yeah, the river meet the sea for real.
You never hear say one mermaid never see it. You always hear say the mermaid come at the river and a saltwater skin. Me not ask him, remember me a mermaid?
Yeah.
Okay, so me can tell you everything about the ocean. Aki mama swim around, sister.
And how long now she a swim? She swim very well?
No, I mean, I think she can't swim good enough because she one of the ticking them. You know, you understand? You can find she beside the rocks.
Okay, rocks.
She can't swim well, my love. No, man, the internet want prior though. Then July, I got like June.
Please, auntie, she class the people, let me know. The way she
I
class
see
them,
she-
it must come on like kind of tone her done.
And
Yes.
you know what is the problem, liar? I'm going to tell you what the problem with Rosalie. Rosalie have to expose herself to everybody where I bless her because she can't keep gratitude just like Jakes. It's her nature. You never know. So she have more of them for class. You never know. She have more of them for class. And the old people when me sit down and watch is, oh, you for have gift as a class, your baby father. Jakes come eat your all.